Hi guys, this is my Tatay's gift. I will unbox this.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, ikaw, open mo na.
How?
Ayan, ito. This one.
Oh, ito.
Okay, ikat ka. Yung kamay mo, alisin yung kamay mo. The other one. Ay, ka dito kayo. Isa dyan, dito. Okay, go. Oh! Open!
It's a box inside a box inside a box.
Oh!
It's gold.
Wow!
It's gold. Bruh. Bruh.
Why? Open mo! Ganyan mo! Wow!
I got a new drip.
Happy? Oh, ano sabihin mo kay tatay?
Thank you, Tatay.
And anong promise mo kay tatay?
I promise I will do better at school.
Yay! Oh, pakita mo kay tatay. Dali, hawak mo yan. Oh, bye na. Thank you, tatay, again.
Bye, Bye, guys. Thank you, Tatay.